bon dia. Happy Saturday. Me espero que você tenha bom semana, whatever it means to you. Que você semana está produtivo or not. Whatever it is that you wanted it to be. Feliz já sabra, feliz weekend. Me espero que o weekend começa nice. Então, maneira minha mencionar, nós estamos bezig com series de Queer Stories of Aruba, onde eu eigenlijk me papia de diversidad que tem na nossa comunidade, pero diversidad que tem within a LGBTQIA plus community di Aruba. So, para mim comecei que me quero avisar, of course, thank you to my awesome sponsors, thank you to Roche-Posay, to Gain and to Total, I appreciate you so much. E of course, thank you to Cool FM for allowing me this space. Si acaso escuchando essa aqui em auto, anto bating ko baha, anto bakit sige escucha, do not worry, bo para haya episode aqui back, riba YouTube, di Cool FM, di Sincero Carolina, bo para haya riba Facebook, bo para haya riba bo favorite podcasting platform, so do not worry. But put on your back. You are fine. So, without further ado, nos noti un stranger to Cool FM at least. Porta eso nang escucha Sincerely Carolina. She is new to Sincerely Carolina, pero é noto novo to Cool FM. Pero me balagi introduce mes anto bisa nos king at why she's here today. Hi, Lilo.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Sí, lagami introduce mi miss na radio. Hindi conoce mi mani Lilo. Officially Laurisa, but it's totally fine. I listen to either one, so that works. Sí, no me da contento ko mi poping, so radio personality, pero also avid BTS lover.
Yes,
absolutely.
You are.
Yes. Sí, no, so very excited ko mi po papi yung topic ko honestly I found interesting for a very long time. So, ramay invitation mi na yes, let's go, smiling ear to ear like some psycho, like I've never been on the radio. Like
exactly.
No,
like you don't do this like every day.
Yeah, exactly. But still, it's different. It's different. Oro ko buhay yung invitation pa join someone else, especially doro ko I like to take the reins. It comes so automatically to me. This Pami has so his own group show. It's so hard for me, pero exciting.
Okay, so il topico di awe conoscere touch base ribagele. Of course, mi kera touch base ribagele. Tamit un topico ko mi messa haya hope interessante. Mi te chiede ko manera po setting hopi identities within a queer community. Pero mi te chiede undi identities nang ko hopi biyaha ta Wara po siya, hopi, paano siya mele asina. Ta bisexuality. Anto, may takere ko, ita, this idea ko, hopi biya, hena tawake manera un phase, of ko hena tawake manera, ko it's not real. Because what do you mean you like everybody?
Yeah,
you know,
exactly.
asa hopi biya, a perspective. Pero mas ainda, may takere ko, pa for the community, pero tama within a community, but tawake ko hena nanting, judgment either way over the henda nang kuta identify as bisexual pero kuta ding what seems heteronormative relationship. This din caso you are married, you have 2 kids, but married to a man. Let's be more specific, but married to a man, but 2 kids. Anto henda nang assumption obviamente ta ora kunanta se reconosi kubo anto ora kunanta get to know you ta ku you must be straight because you are married to a man. Manese ita equation ko hena tahasi mi chiarsi pa hena escuchando pensa ko it's not like you are doing wrong math. I understand the math that you are doing. Pero ko dori porta na momento ko pata quis pa share algo assim na ko hena tabayori mane undermine maybe bo identity pa sobra kunanta mane pero what do you mean?
Exactly.
So maybe tell us a little bit about that, about being a bisexual woman within the Aruban cultural context, but also within the context kubota married to a man.
Mi te quiere na comienzo así na ko mi bisong okay, I'm bisexual. Mi te haya usually one of 2 reactions. Ta either oh, so you would be into a party of 3?
Oh, of course. I didn't even think about that, but yeah, totally. I can see that.
Bojis que attention. Like, me te kere hopi bia en otani mane, oh, that's a possibility. Like, oh, right, that exists. Pero wanneer boto bisa, no, you're married to a man. Dus boto jis mane insistiri bisa algo así na pasobra bokiarat na siyong. Bokihende wabo mane algo special. And then wow, like, that's a lot to take in. Me te kere especially the party of 3 as well. Paso usually, depende kung close me te koe persona. Obviously, kung si boto bisa say that's very weird already if we don't know each other very well. And even if we know each other very well, like, wow, that's a lot. I tend to explain right away, basta like bisexuality, no ta misung ko
polyamory.
It's like, yeah, it's not automatically the same thing. It can be.
Yeah.
But it's not automatic. It's okay, yeah, it doesn't really work that way. Pero, yeah, attention per se, me te kere den passado, usually, me tata echt purba read the person I'm talking to, but decidi si me tata share essa isi of no.
Okay.
But so, yeah, obviously, manebo bisa, I'm in a, what seems like a straight relationship, so there's not always a need to share. But on the other hand, mita manebo sa, but this is who I am. Si mita sinti ko ita, so add something to the conversation, to the topic we are talking about, then yes, siguro kumilo by compartir say, imita espero ko di manera toch pa duna pa educahin nita me un poco ko, hey, we exist. It's a real thing. I feel like, see, by now, this is still a phase. This is the longest phase I've ever been in. Pero, yeah.
So, me te kere tame ko, me te kere sowieso te hopi bijzonder ko ting hena da sinti ko na po puntra certa pergunta na.
Sí.
I am always surprised by people. Kung comfortabel ti ora na ta sinti pa bisa of puntra kosang. Pero manera ba mencionar, if it's a face, it would be like the longest face ever.
Yeah.
Pero tambe this idea ko mane some way somehow pasobra ko bota bisexual ko bono por kiss un lifelong partner.
No,
Me te quiere say tame ta un idea anto ko si bolo kiss bijvoorbeeld un hene mujer patabo life partner anto ri ko na labisabo pero ri tampoco bota bisexual.
No,
Then,
exactly.
you know,
there's no winning.
there is no winning, right? Ko eta mane no, you cannot be both, of you cannot be interested in both. Of manera ba mencionar ko eta immediately bisa ko bono kiar un hende so anto ko bolo kiar multiple people. Of ko eta come maybe from a place of like dissatisfaction of algasina.
Me tati actually un partner ko a breakup ko me using that as the reason. Like,
wow.
Me no me suggesting miedo di hene hombre para di hene mujer tambe. So, wait, what? Like,
I've heard that.
That really does not make any sense whatsoever. Like, si me tati relasyon ko un persona, then that is that person. Pero, wow, see.
Pero also the idea ko ba ne bumeserting miedo di outside people in the first place.
Like, how insecure are you?
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
This is like a thing.
It is a thing, right? So let's go back to you figuring out ko but bisexual. So me te quiero ko eseta algo tame ko porta hena nang ko ta escuchando anto porta sempre yegitading mane bosa un heteronormative relationship ko hena di opposite sex anto nanta quiere maybe nanta haya same sex like but hope biya ko mucho mujer me to have this conversation because girls are a little bit more open and nanta mane ki ora but pensa ko is it like really like bisexuality but sobra me haya mi amiga rang mane hope bonita but there's a difference between haya rang hope bonita and
to marry them.
yeah exactly right and like so what was that like for you? And we have talked about like your teenage years and the kind of like not being part of like the cookie cutter of whatever mucho mujer supposita tempo within the context of Aruba. But what was it like for you? But realizing ko, yeah, maybe I like girls too. And so, what was that like?
Sí, no, het toch wel best interessante. Pues echt voor die mucha, maar comienza a reparar, okay, there's something different. Y comienza a punto de mí is like, okay, like meeting my best friend who's a girl, and why can't I spend my life with her? Di ko meeting ko busco hindi hombre de mi vida when I would just love to spend the rest of my life with her. Y ito tas hindi mis cos, pero yeah, realidad momento you grow up, ano ba reparar ko feeling dapat un poco diferente. Un dato más de amistad y otra dato quizás un poco más de otra dirección, pero yeah, we were kids. Pero para mí tata echt mane momento ko mawak mucho mujer Ando ko minuto to solamente sinti echte parte amistad. Like, I want us to be friends forever. It's like, no, I think I want a life with you. So, I love way too extremely semper. Sami pa mi simita their relationship with anyone. Me miss it for picture a life with you. Otherwise, it's just not gonna work. Like, if I can't picture a life, no, then this was it.
We're just so nice to hear that you're open about that too.
Like, no, definitely.
Okay.
Pero, andori but kumisa experiment.
Okay.
But maybe I can ask someone, would you be into sharing a kiss? Which sounds very weird, but yeah. See, but I think a very specific group of friends that are also like, yeah, that sounds like fun. It's okay, great, awesome, let's try this. Let's see how that is. Pero, antori pa, some of them, ito ta gis mane funny afternoon. Pero pa mi, ito ta mane light opening, was an eye-opening moment. Wow, I think I actually like this. But really, ainda no ku a realization that this is a thing.
Yeah.
I thought I was just weird. I realized
this is a thing.
LGBTIAQ plus. Like,
yeah.
I didn't know. Das pa mi okay, like, that's different, but okay, that's fine. Te ora ko actually, uena bisami. It's a thing. Oh. Wow.
What do you mean it's a thing?
Wow, that's interesting. I never knew that was an option. So eigenlijk like in my teenage years, me that I identify as a lesbian. So pa me that mas women, they are awesome. Let's go. Was like, this is gonna be my future. Pero as I grew older, me riparadi mi miensko e nota exclusivamente attraction to women. Pa mi makumisa riparada that I also don't have a type. Minoti man un specific type that I'm attracted to. Andori na school nos Mr. Hasi un presentation pa maatschappijleer. And we chose bisexuality. Dorko amigo di mi tava ta identify as bisexual. And mientras ko nos defending our point to the class, and I got so passionate, like almost yelling at everyone, like, how dare you? And then wait.
Do I identify with this?
See, like, I feel like I'm taking this a lot more serious than I actually expected it to. Dus say pa mi tatamane okay, kuminsa piensa pa bumis, is this something you could be into? Pero makumisa siya mas tame tocando di jepo. So pa mi mis idea di bisexuality of the gis but attracted to men and women.
And like a 50-50 thing,
see,
right?
Exactly. It's like, that's it. But después no, that is not what that means at all. But in attraction regardless of gender. That seems like something I can get into. But so para mi ta echt e persona. I don't care what you have in your pants.
Yeah.
If I'm attracted to you, I'm attracted to you. And hopefully you feel the same way about me. Dus is say dat echt een realization moment, like, oh, that's also a thing. Like,
yeah.
It sounds so silly, pero mita sinti ko, mi mesmo dat echt busca information behind sa tampoko. I'll just learn along the way. I'll hear from people, whatever. And door ko toch slowly, but I realize, okay, there's more out there than just the straightforward thing. And even so, sempre ita kida mani un spectrum. No tur hende, of ja, mayoría probably not 50-50 attraction to whatever. In whichever of them, sempre porting un cierto nivel de what is acceptable to you.
Exactly.
Dus okay,
I kiko bota mas attracted to, so mi te quiere tame hopi biaha. Mi te haya prato, so mi te pensa di biaha riba e gingerbread, identity gingerbread, man. Minasa sabi iwake, pero nanta mani papia di bijvoorbeeld. Kung bata identify with men, that is like one thing. Yeah. Who you are attracted to is another thing, right? Anto mi te quiere tame ko within levels of attraction. Mesos ko bating diversity of people.
Yeah.
Bating that diversity within, basta attraction ko bating towards people. Dus bijvoorbeeld din bokas bata mention na kung mani abotong hende or bata din relationship anto bata fall in love kong hende of bata intong hende pabo ito mani mi misa po picture life sino mani then it probably means I don't really like you that much. Iting hende nang ko nunca no quero life with somebody, right? Pero no kamen ko na not attracted to people.
Exactly.
Anto iritame to what extent basta kiko iri hende como society a decidi na que momento are you truly attracted to somebody or not. E bita haya que tu pone hobby pressão riba hende mas tambe pa sobra bayando back na conversação di mane girls tan ku maneira bota pisa let's explore anto hoy en dia bota wake mas e me penso do social media tambe bota wake mane girls papia hobby mas openly ku mane portanto ribo trip ando ta sunchi unha amiga and it's like a very cute kiss but nothing more anto me te quiere también, não te sentir mais confortável com saying that, or just kind of being like, doesn't have to mean anything in particular.
Yeah.
Pero também eu rico também tem gente que também, ok, naquele momento, do I like kissing my girlfriends?
Exactly. When is it feelings and when is it still just fun?
Exactly. Anto me te quiere ko lokal ko babi sa ko bo aduna mo mesa ruimte pa sort of go with the flow and figure that out. So me te quiere mundo que está hoy en día with all of the labels and with the internet and stuff. Nos sinti mane nos tingo figure out like now. Like immediately, we have to know what we are. We have to know what it was. Anto così no pure mi quiere pa gente young e sempre hope exhausting. So para you might find yourself in a box that is not true. Like me quiere si boak moments porta a wo, but quiere ko teenage self ko tata identify as a lesbian, lo pura quiere ko I don't know. Did you think you would be marrying a man? I mean,
absolutely not. Absolutely not. I hope he surprises compara con what I pictured my life to be back then compared to now. Pero me te quiere especialmente sowieso community a cambia. Obviously, tiempo na cambia, everything has changed. Y back then, a long time ago, rules were, once upon a time, rules that are very strict. Like, okay, see, bokyar form part of the club, we need you to be one or the other.
Like as in many queer community mas bakerman.
Yeah, we need you to be one or the other. Like you're gay or you're straight. Otherwise, go away. So let's make my life easier. And the just I'm totally only part of one side.
Yeah.
Definitely. Pero me te quiere sowieso in general, no solamente na queer community na Aruba, pero na Holanda tambe.
Could tambe walk me, I'm sure.
Sí, exactly. Me te quiere pa me personally, main issue tawata ko, I don't look gay. And I know that sounds silly, but so what does gay look like?
Exactly.
Pero kung hindi tati echt een specific image, like no, if you're into women, but when mas stuff, and bonoto beastie, like earrings and makeup and everything. I mean, obviously, stuff has changed, and I'm so glad. Pero back then, no, like that doesn't make sense. Dus pa try to show everyone, no, but really, like I belong here. But ako misa beastie mani un cierto style pa asine que hende por mani identify bo maslihe. But a beastie something rainbow somewhere pa hende por ta mani okay, maybe. Basta like pero na Aruba community obviously tawa mas chiquito. That was out there. And nunca no tawa chiquito, pero community that was out and proud. Pero na Holanda is agita full diferente. Na Holanda mitatabay women-only parties. Anto hene te kedawami, why are you here? You don't belong here. See, and that's like, but I'm here, aren't I? Does that not say enough? Pero no, apparently
But was
not.
it because Mariana tata sindi ko the way you look na tata match a location or the vibe of was it pa sobre possible
identity.
Okay, dus tibo bisa bijvoorbeeld kom I identify as bisexual until what are you doing at a women's only party?
Yeah. See, e nantata mane okay, and the Deko un dia ma just by punto hene. Então let's just be weird. And me di kiko lo por yudami pa hende por wak maslihe that I'm also attracted to women. Anto lo que persona explica mi sama I hope you pret. So I like tight jeans and like a looser shirt. Like na botine net parobis. You should wear a tighter shirt and looser pants. Esa ita hasya mas de la cava. I didn't know there was a dress code. Like, man, they should put this on the flyer.
Exactly. Like,
but obviously, this was one person in opinion, but I really took that to heart. My whole wardrobe, like, nothing makes sense. My God, what should I do? Pero sí, me te quiere ese para mí mismo algo hopi difícil sowieso to go through. Paso ainda me notating misong confidence that I have right now. No, you don't have to wear anything.
Exactly.
Basta like there is no uniform. Like that doesn't make sense. Like you just be you, and whoever will like you back will like you back.
I'm also thinking, no, just from like my own perspective, algo assim, me puedo imaginar também se pode ter um environment assim, então, mas pode pensar, por exemplo, ba mencionar bono um type, but some people do have a type. Anto, some people do have a very specific type, que porta esta hope mas girly, anto hope mas mane femme. Anto, you pode imagine what struggling com identity, and then you go to a party, anto uno yung heno no ta mostra bane like a princess, basically.
Yeah, exactly.
And you're totally into princesses, and hold up. Like,
what went wrong
like,
here?
so do I not like girls? Like, but I don't like these girls. Like, you know.
Exactly. See, no, it's like a whole thing. Pero, Mi te quiere un dia issue grande mis na Holanda tambe tawata ku women loving women tawata ku misasali menos.
Okay.
After nota by specific places kuta especificamente pa hindi mo eh. Dus dado momento mas di café na conocia ku misasera.
Okay.
And in the end, where are you gonna go?
To meet people.
Quizás botan, okay, I still want to go out there and meet someone, pero online dating is not for me, and I totally understand that. Pero then where will you go? Just go to a regular place. Of course, you can go regular place, a heteronormative place. Pero who are you going to meet there? How are you going to meet someone there? So me te quiere especialmente ko hinemuhi, it's very hard for me specifically pa figure out if someone's just being nice or if someone is flirting to me. What are we doing? Like, what are we? Do I say something back? Because oh, your hair looks so nice. Oh, thanks.
Wait.
How was this received? Like, do I continue? Do I stop? And then it's very hard. Pero mi te quiere in that sense. I don't want to say men are easy, but men are easier.
Okay.
And I'm straight to the point. I feel like that made it easier for me.
Mas eu quero comportar ting mane mas hende muhe if one go to struggle because I think it does go back to mane but I think my girlfriends are pretty and they're so pretty to what extent me digo bisa ko ting ora me to have conversations could be friends and to nos ta hari so nos ta comment bijvoorbeeld what you said men are easier to understand right and to ting mane por example uma amiga também mencionava, você guy kita mandava me fire emojis, que como tá, me mandava fire emojis all the time, like, is this how you're interpreting my love, like, you know? Pero basta ato maniba to mention, ko itong very thin line between ko no sa decidi ko ore behavior to being di yung hende humble but aware, like where that's kind of going.
Yeah.
Pero it challenger is sa kahina mo henta pero ko unless nanta man very open about it and it's like on their profile of whatever.
Exactly.
And even then, like just was on henta how bonita no kemen interested in you like that, you know?
No, exactly. Say tambe sempre tata un conversation that I had from school. Dor ko di opi hende mi tata higher reactions. So no, it's okay if you're gay as long as you don't come on to me.
I'm sorry, what?
Yeah, exactly. And it's like, I'm sorry, but what makes you think that you're so wonderful that everyone would come on to you? And pahopihin they say that un realization point, like, oh wait, no, they're just interested in everyone. And then, are you?
Exactly.
Are you interested in everyone? Like, I highly doubt that. So, and then, oh, okay, and some understood and some did not. But I'm like, no, it has to be said. But so, in notamane, okay, because you are gay, because you're a lesbian, because you're bisexual,
absolutely.
Exactly. Like you said, people still have a type. Even people without a type, you still find something in a person.
Okay, gusta of no gusta.
Exactly. That's definitely, it's never everyone. Like, generally speaking, it's probably never everyone.
Midaya sa itong very interesting thing that you say, parang pa sa amin awak meme about it and explaining man psychology bijvoorbeeld terasi man bijvoorbeeld hende hammer dan kuta BCC na man basta me just no quero pa guy being man basta come on to me or whatever and to it has also to do with the kere hende nan kuta bisa esse of the pensa esse kung anang to navigate life as is. Paso para mí te quiero que botong hende ko bata come into a place and to promekos ko bata hasi ta man look around pa wak man king bata hay bonito of king bata hay interesting. Si bating man that predator personality I mean sa kumpaya mele and probably you think ko man other people also have that and portayo ri bata hayon tiki eng pa pensa ko man
are they doing that too?
Are they doing that to me? Am I part of like right? Am I prey now?
Yeah.
And so mi sempre pensa, ora ko hende give that type of comment. I love a good devil's avocado discussion.
Yeah.
So ora bita hayon tipo de comment assim na fung hende bi son comment assim na mi delante mi também let's go.
Yeah, exactly. Bring it on.
Yeah, let's talk about
already.
Yeah, let's talk about it. Mane bata into everyone. Mane are you walking into every room and checking women out?
Exactly.
Is that what you do?
See, no, but I say I'm honestly kind of glad compared to back then, compared to now, the lokwalta education at school, I'm glad they're starting earlier.
Okay.
But so in my personal experience, it would have been great si mi pura escucha from a reliable source. Hey, it's okay. Basta it's okay what you're feeling. It's okay what you might want to explore as long as you're safe and everything. Pero no kumpara ko back then that it took forever, and when I finally heard about it, I'm like, oh, okay, like I've already heard it from my friends. Pero yeah, quizás na no lo aconte ding manera mas duidelijk lo portanto,
E from whatever na mesmo understanding tayo momento pa sobra nan tame portata going through self-discovery anto also trying to figure out. So not to explain it to the best of their abilities.
Yeah, exactly. That might not always be great. So like al final, I didn't come out at school. I didn't do that myself. It was done for me, which is also not great. I mean, I feel like anyone would probably kunanda preferar na mes por anunciar ese in whatever way kunanda sinti cómodo.
Yeah, to their people, to people they care about. Yeah.
Kumi, it was kind of funny because
it's kind of funny. You say now.
It's kind of funny. Now
you say
it's
now.
Funny. Now I can laugh about it. Back then I could not laugh about it. Pero door ko hende awak me give my girlfriend a kiss. En toen Arabia.
Okay.
Na abay bisin je vrouw, en je vrouw is tambe Arabia, en daarna manda nos rector. Panos we have a serious conversation.
About why you guys are kissing?
Okay. Like, yeah. Okay, this is so weird, but I guess it's fine. And the written is like kissing of any kind is not allowed in school. I'm like, okay, understandably so. Pero met letterlijk like right now 6 couples outside making out. So why are we being singled out? And then no, like no sobe papi kunanta. Yeah, but they do this every day.
Have you talked to them?
See, like I don't think this is a thing that happens. And tori, like one of the first questions que la pundra si no está así pa atención of pa amor.
Ooh.
And like, wow, this is like a lot. Like, okay.
How old were you?
I want to say 16.
Okay.
Sí.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Me just probahin pensa mi 16-year-old brain. Antong hene puntrami algo assim na. Yeah, I would be a little pissed off.
Yeah, like
but also so stressed. Like, what do you mean?
Okay, you have to decide right now. Like, I don't know what we're doing. We're teenagers. No,
exactly.
Pero in the end, siguro si ela do na hopi understanding. Okay, basta in a relationship, that's totally fine. Like, pero no kissing at school. Okay, understandably so. But also, regla pa tour, then nobody should be making out. Like, paso nanta letterlijk like are right there.
Yeah.
Bandi e cantina where everyone can see them. Like, yeah, then fix that too.
No stursa high school couples ne. Puto mane sinta riba skochi otro anto puto hon mane. I feel like this shouldn't be allowed. But anyways, yeah.
See, but andori is a result ko like most people found out.
Okay.
Okay.
Paso la bira mane yung
thing. Paso yeah. No, because the pasa na school or algo así na pasa. It's like, whoa, we got news. See, like we got the tea. We got stuff happening. Pero ku timbia is dat is a very awkward moment. En mi te kere pese to hopi importante pa toch doen hindi nang miss chance pa come out on their terms. Paso eri mi te end up di by gym na onda kono surting o campaña junto. And everyone was looking at me like, should we take our clothes off? Like, is she watching us? I was never watching you. Why would I suddenly be watching you now? Pero ku dado momento I felt so awkward ku ma-end up ku ami tapay cambio ding wisi hawk pa nyung hindi na wak ami and everyone can feel safe to change their clothes.
Oh no.
And tapos ito yammer. So before that, everything was fine. It's not like we're naked there.
Yeah.
It's just taking off our uniform, putting on our gym clothes. So, but yeah, say ito yammer. Pero also in class, otro mucho nang so they are also just trying their best. They don't know. And to un teacher that man do nung example like, okay, so Laurisa, this is your boyfriend. And then otro hena, pero she's a lesbian. She can't have a boyfriend.
Oh my gosh.
Thanks, I guess. Was that like,
yeah.
We really did not need that comment. He's giving an example. He's not marrying me off to someone. Like,
Yeah.
But yeah, awkward moments. Pero mi te quiere, now I can just talk about it and feel okay. But back then it was scary. But so suddenly, but the scene, di mane, yung hindi no kiarta bo friend mas. Basta nanturta mane kumisa distansya na mes fay bo. So okay, do you like me or are we just friends? And then
even out girls, may siente ko, I'm sure boys have this experience too, and we will be talking to boys as well. But I mean, may siente ko, ko girls are sure hoping intimate moments.
Yeah.
Ito hoping normal pa po, when you get ready with your girlfriends, kung may siente ko, sa kamchohammer, ito hoping menos. Not say it doesn't happen, pero ito hoping menos, right?
Yeah.
Ito masya normal, kung bata bayis ka po, amiga na, nganto mani, bosta mani, baya, portando junto, I'm not saying that girls shower together, that's not what I'm saying. Pero kung bosta to get ready, na mesong kas, bosta put on makeup, bosta si otros kabay.
Yeah.
So there's a lot more intimacy, di mo mani friendly type ko ta happen. A lot more physical touch ta common kung mani girlfriends ko ita, kung mani guy friends. Anto, mita siente ko, si nos noting real understanding about this. Mani bota bisa, erihin na tabay tama ni, like, where's the line of, like, I enjoy doing this, like, with my friends, anto, was Lilo being extra nice to me because she likes me, or are we just friends? Of mani, mida gusta ora ta mani peya mi kabay, of mi jis gusta hina peya mi kabay, of mi gusta ora peya mi kabay, right? So it's like, ito tres hopi, mi por imagina, emosyon ng, vooral zeg maar een teenager, of een young, right? Anto, then, and then, si wat a kiss pa papia over this, like, I don't know, maybe shared emotions of algo así, tanto porta hende ko pa kiss pa papia con ele not safe tampoco.
No. That makes it very hard.
Yeah, may por imagina ko basta ko bota papiando ko girlfriends about un guy ko bota haya leuk, but also like mucho mohe kultura gaya ng gusto ng school mi tam haya leuk. Antori, like, do we get to talk about her?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
No, I have to say, Pami, siguro with uiteindelijk my close friend group, most of them identified as something.
Okay.
So that helped me a lot.
Okay.
Kung
Okay.
store por sinti, like, okay, nos porta just
Dat het yung
completely
safe space.
open. Yeah, exactly. So that was wonderful. Imisako ting hopienda out there that don't have that, and that makes it so much harder. Y mi te quiere, lo cual ku si, mi te quiere un parte positivo di ku hende ahayasa at like a very young age, ku lo que is say, actually open up for me, that ku hende tabo te sinti mas cómodo talking to me. And I thought that was wonderful. So
Okay.
rito jisu hindi ko mi konose quizás pun tempo cabo, kung di ito hey, I need to tell you something. I think I'm bisexual, I think I'm a lesbian, I think I'm gay. Ando ko, I felt so good kung nando te sinti cómodo, kung nampor express that to me and come to me for, maybe advice, just something kung nang no amak me ainda, quizás mamak me, quizás I can help them, quizás I cannot, pero kujis they can express themselves. So, essay mi te quiere tate parte positiva DJ, I thought that was so great.
Yeah, anto, me te quiere ko so iso ito un very nice quality to have. Kung hende por sinti ko na por bin papia se kabo over di algo ko to hopi intimate. So na final di
exactly.
eta algo hopi intimate. Anto, basta me te quiere tame ko biyahe na ta pensa ko bota bay papia kosta nga sina ko hende na ko bota hopi close to. Anto, hopefully, ideally, you have
of
people
course,
that you are
pero
close to kubo por papia kosang aki ko nang pero ting ora ting kosang ko tasina para apart di ba mesong bubble uno ko ta sinti ko mino papia dia saki within my bubble mi sinti mi bubble no to be comprendendo. I need to talk to somebody ko hopefully I feel tabay por identify ko emotion ko mi ta going through basta struggle ko mi ta purbando di pone un palabra na G of pone un meaning to anto mi ta quiere ko esete bonito tambe di having this type of conversations, right? Ko it open up a avenue pa hende comprende ko it's different for a lot of people. Anto hende ta go through different experiences.
Yeah,
Anto,
of course.
Yeah.
And that's totally fine. Anto, tambe mi te quiere, quizás po hende ko ainda tamane, okay, pero mi ti miedo ko mi lo perda amistad. That's always a risk.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, ko whatever ko bahaya sa di mo miss, ko ting hende ko lo tamane, pero
That's too weird, bye.
See, exactly. Like, I've lost friendship. Ko hindi ko mito to close to for years. Ando ko tamane, but I don't agree with that. Or I don't think that's okay. Or I don't recognize that. Basta dos, te aki no si llega and that's it. And obviously, at that point in time, ito hobi difícil pa bo purba acceptar. Pues ya tong hindi ko diripiente tawak mane bota fulong otra persona. Siendo ko bota emission persona ainda. Sempre bota o te click boom. Para o pa via di...
Situación, sí.
Diripiente na tamane no. Te aki no se llega.
Which me pensa tambe so be it. E mi sa que hopi hurtful. Sí, mi sa que hopi I know it is, pero me te on the long run si pone com hende then so be it. Antere bati hende menos ko batin ko porta sin ko batin ko perform to. Af ko batin ko mane sensor bo mes rani Jeff ko batin ko mane ta otro pa so si no ita ba got offended or whatever.
Yeah, exactly. And it comes from both sides, from the queer community, ora ko ma-discover myself about bisexuality, kumi sa ang relasyon ko hindi humber, ko inanta mo
betray nang
exactly, like you betrayed us, we thought you were purple and now suddenly you're blue, like what is happening? This either from either side, like me hetero friends ko pero you're gay or bisexual, like that's not okay. So te aquí no se llega. And that can feel very lonely, especialmente si esa pasa na de una temporada ku acaba bonuti hopi amigo and everyone is dropping you, so no.
It's too complicated.
Yeah, exactly. Like you're doing too much. Like no, this is okay. This ano mi te quiere. Also, ora ko mi mesa comienza embrace a bisexuality un poco más. Pa mi mismo. So honestly, it was a very difficult shift mentally.
Okay.
Pa mi. Como ko sempre mi tating girlfriends walking in public holding hands with a woman. And now I'm holding a boy's hand. I was so awkward.
But does it social pressure? Okay.
Definitely. Okay. But I'm doing something wrong. Like, this is not okay. Pero pareja ko mita din tempo ay mi por explique at least. Basta dunami un chance to get used to this. It doesn't feel natural to me. So, give me a minute. That did not work out. But that's totally fine. Okay. At least basta misa pa mi miss, I need to give myself some more time. Pero may kumi por hasi shift mentalmente. Okay, now I'm open regardless of gender. And no me serta especificamente un hende mujer of especificamente un hende hombre, a person.
Anto ko riba também papia about qualities ko bolo kiar de un hende.
Exactamente. Essa ita tochta hasia mais specific pabo mes e pabo stop the chase whatever you think is expected of you. Pero no, this is what will actually make me happy. E me te quer al final essa ita como end up ku mi casa tambe awo ku sempre mi pora papia open ko ni. Sempre mi pora explique turcos e no tating expectation di okay, now we're gonna have parties with more people. Yeah, that is not
It's like
funny.
I get to have 2 girlfriends because my girlfriend also wants a girlfriend.
Yeah, exactly. It's like no, tating understanding di comienzo ko say no te caso e mi te quiere in whatever relationship lo cual te importante ko bo por comunicar.
Yes.
Like I didn't realize that until kumi pora papia asina openly with a partner. Kumitane, okay.
Wow, like I can't go back from this.
See, no, exactly. Like no, this is wonderful. Isa ku meeting attraction regardless of gender, which is fine. It does not mean ku
miedo to paranoid constant.
No, exactly, definitely not. Nos established tambe very early on ku nos attraction e muheta very different. Very different. There is so no funny. Overlap whatsoever. Listen, okay, that's fine too.
Das to naman por making assumptions.
See, no, definitely not. There is no overlap.
That is so funny.
Ding is say mita kere pa me personally ko ita hasi ko mita open tambe ko si mita wak persona and hey, that person looks pretty. Yeah. They do. Basta like it doesn't matter. No sitting insecurity about that anyway whatsoever because I'm so happy with you. Misanos turting wowo.
Sí.
And I accept that too. Mina to bay biba de un pami. Mundo di fantasia man no. Mita kubo dos minuto bay ripara ting other people out there. See, like, no, that's not a thing. That's great. Pero zero overlap.
Wow. That is a very interesting conversation to have. Like, mi por imagina ko it come with a feeling of safety, right? Kung bata llega de punto di okay, I'm willing to talk about it and then you talk about it. Tanto ko sí, kung bata hindi mo portable mess.
Sí,
so,
exactly.
Fast forward to present time. Your mom, bating dos yung homber. So manila sa mission ka but married. Anto what is it like now? Or kung have conversations with people? Mita sinti tame ko otro banda tabira man pero bono tamane bored of bono tahaya falta, right? Mita escucha hena da puntra hena say ting ora anto man un cosco there's a sense of like mane being volatile associated to being queer, kumane unkos kumane not instabilidad of kasi not possible. How do you navigate that, if anything?
Sí, no, me te quiere, sowieso in whatever relationship, bota crece junto como persona, y dinge sei tambe openness. Para mí, me da heel importante que me porgis express myself to everyone. Dus para mí is sei tambe, dat mane, bijvoorbeeld, or makono su mayor nang, kumita na very early on, I'm gonna bring this into conversation somehow, panansa, and they were like, cool. Okay, great. Like my mother-in-law is my biggest ally. It's amazing. That's wonderful. Pero me te quiere di challenges di manera I don't think I face a lot of challenges regarding that. Dus ko bota mane okay no, pero bota kiara experience that as well. Dorku I feel like I'm lucky enough to have experienced enough ku mi pora decidi pa mi mis okay no bosa this is what I have right now and this works for me pero ever evolving pa asi nakita sigura ko so yeah obviously we are not the same person people that we were 15 years ago or no se conoce otro not at all pero ku dinge say mi te quiere toch in whatever relationship te queda importante ku bo por sigi papia bo express okay bosa tal cos I don't really like that of, this. I did not used to like that, but I like it now, or I would like to try that more. Basta tako na nga sina mi te quiere ta great si boti un persona ko por talk about that.
Yes. Anto mi te hopi contento po escucha tami ko bota sinti ko bo a figure out king ta bo hende nang.
Sí.
True, por ta momento nang kuno ta luyo ka momento
no,
ta fácil, pero kubo supor como pareja ta solid e como maior ta solid, pero tambe ko hena roni boso tambe ta solid, tanto no kubo so me se sinti mane boso me se explica boso me as.
No, exactly.
Exactly. And like how does it work? I will be curious because he's not here. No. Pero does he get asked about it too? Mane boso igi portati in situation nang undo ko hende igi puntrele mane ko sanko ta maybe out of line because I can imagine the treat party thing being like an out of line question. He would get asked.
Exactly. Para na comienzo.
Oh wow.
Boso no se conoce otro na trabaho. Okay. I was working and he was hanging out. Pero di momento como comienza a traer na mi di bosa pa hacia más simple pa hende, I come out as bisexual.
Okay.
Ma introduce me as a lesbian.
Knowing
very well that I've already accepted my bisexuality, pero mi di no bosa. I'm
for this purpose here.
Exactly. For like this segment of my life, I am not. Like, Jesus pabosusa. Dus, ora ku no se kumisa no se relasyon. Anto, etata bin trabaho kumi, whatever. And then what's
Hold
happening?
Up.
Like,
is this a man?
Are we being pranked? Like, what? Anto, referral ko ta su male friends. Ko ta curious about that. Ko ta okay, hey, what's the dealio? Like, are you allowed parties? Was that, no, was that like, what the heck? Mita sinti, foral na comienzo, mistra explain so mis hopi mas kumpara ko awu.
Okay, of course. I would think so after some time.
Yeah, I would love that. No, pero mi kimenta hasta hindi nobo ko ito konoce awu.
Okay.
Ko mita sinti ko nanta mas accepting.
Okay.
Mas open. Usually a more positive response.
Oh, okay.
O sea, ita mas, oh, I didn't know that about your wife. Like, great. Ando, punt.
Yeah, like, that's it. Conversation acaba.
See, like, I don't need more information about what you guys do or don't do. Was like, and honestly, it's none of their business. Pero also, ku isaita hasta, you de pa conoce otra persona, ko tumine, oh, I am as well.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So, kunang porwak tambe as a safe person, kunang porgista ng miss. So, you're married to a bisexual woman. So, you must have more understanding.
Yeah.
See, exactly. So, I think that especially the akong cambio grande compared to back then, iawo.
Oh, that is nice to hear.
Yeah, no,
Kung ito traha tambe in that sense, right?
Yeah.
Ito broaden sphere the safe people, let's put it that way.
Exactly.
Oh, that is so nice.
Yeah.
Lilo, is there anything maybe we have not touched base on? And to pensa man, oh my gosh, I definitely want to share this.
Sí, me te quiere, especially like a by erasure. Ku hopi hindi in the queer community mas tanto ku outside of the queer community ku panang hopi din ang ainda, it's not a thing. Nandan no. Either you are gay, you're lesbian, you're straight. Like the B does not even exist in LGBT.
Yeah.
Dus ito me te quiere say vooral ta unkos ku timbiaha as a bisexual person ku bota sinti ku bonota welcome needing a queer community and ni outside of it, which sometimes can make it really hard. Ku bota kumisado do bomesta hasta like, am I just saying this for attention? Like, do I want people to see me as I am? Of why is this so important to me? Pero it's who I am. Like, I feel like I should be allowed to just be honest and open about who I am.
Yeah.
And if you don't want to hear it, that's fine. Then we won't talk about it again. Pero now you know. Like, me te quiere dinge say, ku manebo to bisa dor ku quizás un hende a conocer una persona ku tabo ta identify as bisexual, pero ku al final bisa pa na mes nobo sa, I am gay, I am a lesbian, I am queer. Riku itan awal, no?
But guardando per shoe to drop.
See,
like,
exactly.
okay, they'll fully come out at some point.
Yeah, exactly. And the me te quiere say, ainda toch me te haya un poco love. Y ku verdad, it's really never for attention. Pero also, minata sinti ko timane specific rules tinaunda ko abo makti identify yourself as a bisexual. Like, okay, you're a bisexual woman, but you've never had an experience with a woman, still a bisexual woman.
Exactly.
Basta,
That is a very good one,
see,
yeah.
like, there are no rules. Ku, no, si bono ama ke may bono sa.
E mi puoi immaginare pa me, antame se porta hope is stressful, right?
Definitely.
Kumane, nanta sinti asina, and then they're like, pero ba llega di hace algo con Homer? No, well, stop di pa ko loco. I can see that, yeah.
Definitely. And also, kung itawata portrayed in the media before compared to now, na undo ko tochata, mas, yeah, nanta mostrando e mas. Back then, Mr. X, like I'm 100 years old, but it feels like that sometimes.
The knees are back sometimes.
Ora mi tata younger. Ito tamaso na kaya boting ko busca very specific series si akaso bukyawake say portrayed in the media. And if it's like ding is show nang mas common and they portray it in a certain way.
Very stereotypical way.
Ku ito mani, yeah.
I don't identify with that.
No, exactly. Like that does not feel right at all. Pero riboto comprende tambe di kung cierto hende atranang opinion di manera ay. Because that's all they've seen. They might not have experienced it in real life. And the same and the walk in the media, that's what it is. So met kere di ebanda, I'm so glad that has changed a lot. Iku hopefully di manera ay ko hende ta sinta na mis toch mane, okay, I'm willing to explore my own identity. I'm allowed to, not just willing, I'm allowed to. And it's fine if I can't decide right now. So there is no time limit either. Si ainda ba ta sinta mane bosa, I'm not sure where I fit in. Take your time.
Sì,
there's no rush.
Yeah, and need pa manera ma mencionando, tabi kere say tami tabi ko having so much knowledge, kuiri hindi sin portate as a mass pressured because they have so much knowledge. So rita mane, okay, but inturo information ki bo falta ba decidi? Mane como que men bonosa.
Make up your mind.
But it's an experience, a human experience, right? That a human experience mane ba bisa pa bo evolve unto pa bo pa bo tin tempo pa bo mes and to do that self-reflection and to discovery and to
Yeah, exactly. Imita kere pa hopi hindi ko kisas nang noting a safe space pa express nang mes de manera ko na lokier. Also, it gets better. Mas it really gets better. Ko kisas a worki bonota na onda ko bopor, but you will get there.
Yeah.
And still, no rush. Like,
you got this.
You got this. I believe in you. No, pero me te quiere say, dorku timbiaha lo que abo mesa magmei, ori that's the rule. No, but I experienced this with my friends, with someone I know. Say the único option. Like, no. It definitely does not work like that. And if you picked the wrong label, that's fine too.
Yeah, you're allowed to change it.
Exactly.
It's okay to do that.
Yeah, and if you were labelless, that's also fine.
Yeah.
Mita comprende you need to want to label everything.
But you don't have to.
But you don't have to.
Lilo, so you're a parent, sitting anything ko below can leave parents with, basta, as somebody could identify with a label, but, si bolo por share, little nuggets of knowledge to other parents who porta ng mes basta ta going through a difficult time trying to understand tang yunang of you have been a kid, somebody's kid, and now you're a parent. Kiko tang nugget of knowledge ko can share with parents navigating questions for themselves or their kids.
Yeah, no, definitely. No, mita kere basta et importante pabo try to make it very clear ko you are a safe space. Kunang por papia kubo. Y ku quizás si abo como mayor bota sinti mene mita ripara algo. Laganansa that the kids, teens are welcome to talk to you. Pero no forza nang. Okay. Because usually si bo purba bosa no mi mister un contesta directa wo mi mister pa bo bisam. No, that just makes it all the harder. Si nang bo yunan sa ko nang por papia kubo y ku bonoto bay rabio ko nang, which sounds silly to me, pero timbia ese te just un reaction ko hindi na no sa kung pa reactiona ando nang ta just rabia. Kunan sana bo papia kubo ku asina bo po yun nang. Y si acaso ku bo yu mesta mane hey mita sinti tal kos, purba di educar bomes. Pa bomes busca mais informação pa assim que você pode navigate it together. Pa definitely no alaga boyu sinti suso. Mita kere pa mis ito hopi importante. Kumi yuna mes lo qual kumita purba hasi. Misa na school nando bahay different influences from everyone and everything. Ku algun din ang quizás no tabay lo qual kumita de acuerdo ko ni. Pero me to contento que teko awo at least nanta sinti na mes open ko nang por bimbi sami like hey me escucho tal cos ante ko mi por papi ko nang okay bosa isay tal manera hopi negativo pa wak lo qual ko bosa papi DJ of pa no usa very specific terms como curse words because they're not. Bosa like me to porba explique isay mas miho possible siguro still teniendo cuenta ko edad. Paso no tabay papi ko mesong edad, mesong kos.
No.
Pero kunang sa, okay, I can talk to you. Ibo no tabay rabia kumi. Miti kere say ta un punto hopi importante ko ame como mucho me samak me kumiti miedo kumi mayor no tabay rabia kumi. Antore kumita sinti, okay, me no por papi ko nang disierto kos, paso nan tabay rabia kumi. Siendo ko in the end, nano rabia.
Pero con miedo,
sí,
right?
Miedo. So, claro, nan tambe tengo navigate pa na mes, so quizás algo ko abo como mayor no amak me nunca.
Y por no pensa que porta un possibility of algo que lo por.
No, exactly. Dus met de keren die je zei, pa echt, hasibo mi ho esfuerzo to be a safe space pa bayunan. Kung nan sa sempre, nan pa llega se cabo, pa siniki nan po contabo, whatever.
I love that. Lilo, thank you so much for having this conversation with me.
It's my pleasure.
And thank you for accept. You were so fun about it too. So bita bane, okay, mito to trabajando riba bane mi serious. Anto bita bane, okay, king to mito puntra, anto bita bane, okay, so I click me puntra Lilo, but it's like the ora meeting bane no vergüenza pa puntra hende, but it's like, am I gonna reach out to this person and are they gonna be like, hello, this is my personal life? Are you crazy?
Exactly.
So thank you.
Si bolo awak mi reaction, quizás bolo spand. I was so happy. I was dancing in my chair with me. Yes, let's go.
Okay.
No, seriously, thank you so much. Mita contento di por papi di Isaki sowieso. It's always been something very close to my heart. Y kumita contento ku mas y mas at bira algo ku hindi care talk about it and that they can.
So espero que me va a provide un nice environment to talk about this.
Definitely.
So thank you. Anto, personong ko sa again, Lilo is a radio personality. Anto, mitahayalik pa purating mo awe din yung otro perspective.
Definitely. Mito sinti like I've done something similar to this, like just 3 años pasado.
Whoa.
So it's been a while, but no, definitely still fun.
Yay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much. Si ba tune in towards the end. Do not worry. We'll put a higher episode. Aki ba, kriba, Cool FM, sa YouTube, sa Facebook, para tama riba sa Siri Carolina, your favorite podcasting platform. And yes, thank you to my awesome sponsors for allowing me to talk about whatever I want to talk about. I appreciate you so much. To Roche-Posay, to Gain, to Toto, and of course, Cool FM for giving us this space today and every week, really. Yes, stay tuned. Si ainda po not to follow me on social media, it's at sincerely.carolina or at Sina Talks, and of course, Cool FM. Anyways, have a nice weekend. Bye!